Push it down, maybe again, yeah. There you go.
What time is it? What time is it? 4. Okay, great, thank you. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, tell us about Japan experience.
Not much, man.
Not much.
I mean, I don't think this is.
Was it easy to blend?
This is not an appropriate time, I think, for to tell. I mean, I can tell. It's there's so much to tell.
Oh,
There's so
yeah.
much psychosocial.
While we sit down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
With
a glass of
ice cream,
wine.
Yeah. So there's so much just to discuss. Right now we're having so much fun. I'm telling you, this is so beautiful. I love Colorado. Colorado, we have everything here. We come to November to April, we ski like crazy, you know.
Damn.
And then after that, we hike.
Yep. What's your
We swim.
favorite ski resort in
I think it's
Colorado.
a steamboat in Winter Park.
Steamboat and Winter Park?
Yeah, I think that's fits me perfectly because I'm still up early blue, you know.
Yeah.
So, but you guys are
all early blue, man.
no, you guys are much
No.
pro. I think you guys do a lot of black and moves and stuff like that. But I'm enjoying. There's so much secretion.
Glad to have you back in Colorado.
Oh, it's unbelievable, man.
Oh my God!
always,
I thought you were just stay there.
it's always it's glad to be back home. You
Yeah,
always miss
exactly.
Colorado, regardless of where you go in this world.
Home is
You
the
always
best.
miss your home. When you don't have Tibet, then Colorado is the next home, man. I'm telling you guys.
But you
it's
forgot
beautiful.
Dharamsala.
Himachal Pradesh, yeah. And McLeodganj is my third home.
Meghlotganj, yeah.
저거는 재팬 들려도 남성을 제도 싸다. 제도 제도.
Sure, bro.
Does so much.
How did you get it? The sound of that.
My dill say.
당 레드.
아, 낭린이 있어. 라면 그냥네.
당제도 넣었어. 수시다 넣었어.
Я-то шугин соня это не колор. I think yes, sister, that then she wanted to call it sweating like crazy, and then you get tired, you get dehydrated, and this, you know, I mean, then you get more tired when you are dehydrated, right? 깔라만크도 오지. 나도 그 공부는 깔라 시작하면서 공부 시작하면
공부 개개인데.
공부 디스카이니 우버 있어 치고보다.
우버 칩?
칩도 카피글라.
어,
그게 잡은 농업밖에 오차시키고 좀 나도 비기는 나도 잡은 소리냐만 잡은 나쁘도 비와 니만 잡았다. that's 지금 보소포.
근데 트레인 망한 랭이.
개미 좋다 하신다. 개미 줄에서 유니 잡는 녀시 니만 잡는 게 개미 없이기로. 나 잡는 줄 깨고르기 되는 there's so much trauma from saying what 그런 미통을 차시면데.
Oh, really?
80% they don't believe in God. They have no religion.
Oh, wow.
I always thought that they have Shintoism and Buddhism. What can get Chindewa? And I think those people are learn about the culture. They say that 80% they don't believe in any God.
Wow. So that's our Yugi's summary of his trip. 근데 you can take your helmet off.
No, it's okay.
There's a small little cockroach that's selling food on tier 6.
Say something, buddy.
Groslas. Alase.
Groslas,
Difference
menu doing.
Kenajilase.
Difference there was.
Difference or Dirish. Because you might edit to 360 turns into 1080 pixel chart resolution wise. But the 8K 8K shoot 360 edit to 4K shot. The resolution wise.
Where are you guys from?
From
Tibet.
Colorado, yeah. Originally from Tibet.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
Where
cool.
you from?
I'm from here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Colorado.
Yeah.
Oh, Cherry Hills, South Dakota.
Oh, nice.
Fancy.
Do you come here often? Do you ski here often?
Yeah, every a little bit. Like this is my main mountain, but it's pretty nice.
Welcome
right
to my channel.
now. Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, 2 million subscribers.
Oh,
You want to say hi?
hi.
Yeah, this is our. What's your name, buddy?
My name is Charles Dumont.
Charles. Yeah.
Charlie.
I'll call you Charles.
Charlie, you can call
Oh,
me
Charlie,
Char-
yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, Charlie. So yeah. So
Make sure you share and subscribe.
please.
in Japan?
How do you know?
Because isn't Icon they have places in Japan?
Yeah, but you're not Japanese.
I thought you said that you were.
No, we're from Tibet.
Tibet.
Yeah, no, Tibet.
But he
Oh,
did
I'm
go
so
to
sorry.
Japan.
I
Did go to Japan like a few weeks ago, like
No, I
last
ju-
week.
Yeah, I came on Thursday.
Oh, okay. I
back.
thought you said you were from Japan.
No, Tibet. Yeah.
Tibet.
Yeah,
I've never.
You know Tibet, right?
I know where Tibet is. Yeah.
Lots of people from South Side or Chicago South Side, when I say that Tibet, they say Japan. Or,
Hey, look, you did though.
Yeah.
You know
해가지고
Oh,
You're a skier, so you should know the mountain, man.
I know.
So Tibet is rooftop, yeah.
My mom's been to Tibet. She said it was
니
great.
야 말이 니 daughter기로 뭐라고 라슈트 잘못 들었어. 얘 라슈트 때 봐. 아니 뭐 님인데 보지 아버지 라슈트 때 샤해줘. 내가 막 자주 쉬면. 맞고 나 여말 나 얘 말나 얘 말.
Just keep that.
나 보면 너 정말
I didn't get chance to ski. I didn't went to
정말
outside.
믿어. 나 여, 나 여.
Sakata.
보면 너 건강 안 해가 줘.
You do that on the Icon Pass?
You can go to the Hachiko up there in the north side. Yeah, there's some icon too.
Wow.
Beautifully, but it's not expensive over there.
당근
know that there's a place in Japan on
Even without the icon, you
나
pay
야가
like
저거.
$40.
간대 있는데.
Yeah.
for everything.
Wow.
That's so much cheaper.
Yeah, most
저기도
expensive.
저 옆으로 차야를 샀어요.
I know, Vail. I skied in Vail 2 days last
You go to any country, even Europe, it's not expensive like here.
It's a
For one-
$337 day pass at
Yeah,
Vail now.
in Vail, yeah, it is. If you, they just
We're going to
rob-
Wales like maybe in January, February maybe.
Yeah,
그건 너무
it's
숨겼지,
so
너무 지루.
expensive, the day passes.
Damn.
대파도 너무
Yeah,
숨겼지.
I got the Epic Pass. I got the military, the veterans discount.
Are you in the military?
I'm not a veteran, but my dad was, so I got the
Oh.
Dependents Pass. I got the Dependents
Benefits?
Yeah. So
Yeah, nice.
it was $320.
Here
So-
today?
No,
the
$320
Whale?
bucks for the Epic Pass.
Oh,
so
yeah,
I have
yeah.
to go to Vail once to pay it off.
Damn, yeah, it's just crazy.
It's insane now.
Insane, yeah. But we bought like day passes like a few months ago.
Yeah.
So that was like, you know, a 3-day pass. Like it maybe it cost like $100 each day per day.
For where?
You know, every season, end of the season,
Yeah.
they will put you on, you know, they put the ticket on sale.
Oh, okay.
You go to
yeah, yeah.
online and you buy like, you
Yeah.
know, 4 or 5 days.
So last spring you did?
Yeah, it's kind of like springtime.
Yeah, so like a 3-day or a 5-day pass.
Vail
Yeah.
Vail 비슷한
Kijk,
Ja, epic.
I didn't see last year.
니 선물 해보다 해야지. 거기 유지 어디서? 이님이님.
ACL, I tore my whole.
나 가서로 디
Soccer.
유타가지. 디사시 때.
I love, yeah. I
He
can't.
plays soccer.
Come
He's very good at soccer.
I was
Snowboard is
on
icon,
varsity
right?
at
Brighton is icon.
Whoa, yeah. Man.
and then I
상관도
yeah,
icon
that's
Yeah,
on my
yeah.
knee, so I'm gonna do track now.
Something is
It's
epic,
alright.
right?
It's alright, man.
Something
Soccer.
also 가서 ticket
That's
야만
cool, man. I play soccer
really?
too.
Yeah.
Love soccer.
I
Confirm
I
the
went
game, but
to
it's
Spain
not
and
much
France and I
Something
played
doing
over
later.
there.
That's
Confirm
Yeah,
them.
You're a pro then.
So the next year,
No,
they see you.
No.
How confirm it? They confirm it.
I'm 16 now.
Oh, yeah.
이게
그 소거 빼 어디다? 그 소거.
Are you good soccer player?
그 스핀도
I was. I don't play anymore. I tore up my knee.
Tell me about where did you play?
I played at Cherry Creek High School, and then I tore up my knee. I used to play ECNL Barcelona Elite Academy,
Whoa, man.
Well, last year
It was
he tore
super
his
fun.
knee, otherwise he's skiing.
but no more soccer, all skiing.
Nice. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
track too.
Yeah. Nice, Charlie. Are you by yourself today?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my, you can run with us if you want.
Well, that's all good.
All right, man. Charlie, nice to meet you.
Yeah, have a fantastic
Yeah.
day.